In this lesson, I will explain to you the concept of not mutually exclusive events and how to find out the not mutually exclusive events probability. The formula for not mutually exclusive events is probability of A or B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A and B. So see, if two events, suppose A and B represents any event, any scenarios, if they are not mutually exclusive, then we will find out the probability with the help of this formula, probability of A or B. So here is A or B, but at the end you will see you have to subtract probability of A and B. So there is a difference between A or B and A and B. So how we will find out? First of all, we have to find out the probability of the first event, then we have to find out the probability of the second event, and then we have to add the probability of first event and second event and subtract the probability of A and B, because I will show you in the next slide with the help of example that when whatever number we will write down here, there is some duplication, so we have to subtract that duplication here in this part, right? But one more thing I will mention here, that for mutually exclusive event and not mutually exclusive event, we have to use the addition rule in order to find out the probability. But in the case of dependent and independent events, we have to use the multiplication rule of probability. So this is the addition rule. Keep in mind, we will use this formula in the next slide. In order to calculate the probability of not mutually exclusive events, you have to find out the probability of each event, then add it and subtract the duplication values. So here is the example. Suppose a single card is drawn from an ordinary deck of cards. See, a deck of cards consists of 52 cards. There are 52 cards in a deck. Find the probability that it is either an ace or a red card. Right? So these are the two events. The first event is you have to find out the probability of the ace. Second, you have to find out whether that card is red. The first is whether that card is ace, second is or red. So these are the two events, and the same formula, probability of A and B is equal to probability of A. First I will explain this to you. See, ace, so there are 4 ace. Out of these 52 cards, there are 4 ace. So we will write down 4 divided by 52. 52 is called the sample space. Sample space is all possible outcomes. So in our deck, we have 52 all possible outcomes because there are 52 cards. We will write down in the denominator. In the numerator, we will write down what is the requirement is the ace. So there are only 4 aces in our deck. So it will be 4 divided by 52. Now come to the second part, red. So there are 26 red cards out of 52 in a deck, 13 spades and 13 clubs. So total 26. So you have to add these two. Now come to the third point, that subtract the duplicated value. So I said minus 2 over 52. See, this is the tricky part here. Out of these 26 cards, 13 spades and 13 clubs, we have 2 ace as well, right? 2 aces are also included in these 26 cards. And we have mentioned 4 aces here as well. So these are the duplication. 4 aces here and 26. So there are 2 aces which are duplicated here. So we have to subtract that to minus 2 over 52. So this is the reason why we subtract the duplicated value. This is for the duplication. So in this example, our 2 aces are duplicated, so we have to subtract 2 over 52. So see, now the denominator is equal, so you have to add 4 plus 26 30, 30 minus 2 28. Just simplify it, you will get approximately 0.538. And here I have also mentioned the explanation. Since there are 4 aces and 26 red cards, 13 spades and 13 clubs, 2 of aces are red cards, spade and the club. So the probability of two outcomes must be subtracted since they have been counted twice. Right? We will discuss the same concept with the help of another example. In the school, there are 10 teachers and 6 educational assistants, right? Out of them, there are 7 female teachers. Out of this 10, there are 7 female, it means there are 3 male. Out of 6 educational assistants, there are 4 female, it means there are 2 male. If a staff person is selected randomly, what is the probability that the person selected is a teacher? This is the probability A, or male. First of all, you have to make clear the question, then it will be very easy to find out the answer. So here I have made the table, the staff, females, male and total. Teachers, females are 7 because here it says 7 female, so it means 3 male, total 10. Educational assistants 4 female, out of 6, 2 male and 6, total is 11, 5 and this one. Same formula we have to use, probability of A or B. So here you have to write down what is the probability. A is the teacher, second event is male. See what is the probability, teacher or male. So probability of A is teacher. So there are 10 teachers. So I said 10 over 16. Why 16? Because total sample is space. Just like in the last slide, we have written 52 in the denominator, there were 52 cards. Same thing is here, total are 16, so 16. Then the probability of male, so how many male we have? We have 5 male, so 5 over 16. Now the question is, what is duplication here? What you have to subtract? See here, these are 10 teachers. 10 teachers. Out of these 10 teachers, there are 3 male. And we have also added 3 male here because here this one, see, 3 teachers and 2 assistant. So 3 male teachers are already here. And we have also added here. So we have to subtract minus 3 over 16. Simplify it, you will get 0.75. So in this lesson, you have learned how to find out the probability of the not mutually exclusive events. And again, the important thing is in mutually exclusive and non mutually exclusive, we have to use the addition rule of probability. But in the case of not mutually exclusive, you have to subtract the duplication values, add the probability of the first event, find out the probability of the first event, then add that probability in the second event, subtract the duplication value. If still you have any question, you can write down in comment section, and thanks for watching.